Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I restore and rejuvenate my wig units. On all of my units, I do like to add elastic bands. This side is coming off, so we're going to go ahead and restore that. Now when you begin to restore your unit, you want to make sure that you're only sewing through the band and the cap. Make sure to not sew through the closure. The stitching method that I find to be the most secure is when you take the needle and put it in between the thread, then pull it up to make a knot. After I have threaded the band onto the cap, I do like to go through and make 2 knots just to make sure it's very secure and clip off the excess thread. I treat my wig units exactly how I treat my natural hair. So first I start off by co-washing the hair. After I've co-washed the hair, I do like to go in and wash it with your choice of shampoo. Today was Head and Shoulders because that's all I had. And when you're washing, you want to make sure that you're rubbing the hair in between your fingers. Now that we have the hair clean, we are going to go ahead and deep condition. Today I'm going to be mixing 2 conditioners, which is by Garnier. And we're just going to coat that in very good. I am going to add just a little bit more conditioner and insert the unit into a bag. After tying the bag into a knot, you want to make sure there's no air in between. Take the bag, put it in a microwave for about 5 minutes, and let your hair deep condition. Be careful when taking the bag out because your hair is going to be very hot. Then go through and rinse out the conditioner with cool water. After I make sure that I squeeze all of the water out of the unit really good, I do like to go ahead and just wrap the unit up into a towel and let it air dry for about 30 minutes to an hour. After allowing the hair to air dry for a bit, I like to flip the wig inside out and make sure that the cap is dry. Take the blow dryer to ensure that the roots of the hair is dry. Re-dry the inside of the cap and put the wig on my head. Once I ensure that the unit is exactly where I want it to be placed, I go through and brush out the hair, add a little water to my closure to make it lay down flatter, add a comb attachment to the blow dryer, and blow dry my hair. And of course, after my hair is completely dry, I have to feel like Beyonce for a while. Now I take my hair, split it into 2 sections, take a brush and use the chase method to ensure that my hair is super straight. And you must have a mini concert in between.
This won't be easy. Let me upgrade you. Let me upgrade.
After the concert, you should be almost complete. Then you're done and you're feeling yourself. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.